Hey guys, Model Rocks 321 here. Welcome back to another video. This will be a quick video. Got a little breeze out here happening, so I'm not going to be doing too much today. But I will be flying the Helio-Copter. This is a very old school rocket, 80s, late 80s. I don't know if they ran too long, maybe 2 or 3 years, and they went out of production. But inside that nose cone are some rotor blades, and it will perform. The body will come down on a parachute, and it will perform a spin as the blades come down. Pretty cool. So we'll be flying the Helio-Copter on a C63. Let's do it.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
Here we go. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, hit the thumb up button. Check the links below. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. And the blades are out and they are rotating. There we go. Nice. Check it out. Look at those blades go. So you have the body coming down on parachute and the blades are rotating around. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. There we go. Check it out. The booster's doing its thing. It's going to be fine, but I just want you to see this action right here. Check it out. Booster just passed my head. I heard it hit and the blades. Nice. Very good flight. Helio-Copter, man. That is a classic bird right there. So you have this nose cone with your little action with these little rubber bands. And it gives you a nice spin. Nice performance. Very nice. Do we have broken fins? Well, I think I got 2 broken fins on this guy. If I'm that broken? Yeah. That 2 or 1? One broke fin. Thought it was laying out kind of flat, so got a little snap fin. It's got to do adding some glue there. But other than that, pretty nice. I was just focusing on this guy. Next thing you know, this is broke. What we got here? I thought that was a whole centering ring. But yeah, there we go, guys. So pretty cool. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Next up, we got the Scissor wing transport. All-time favorite glider, boost glider. I don't know. The trans wing is pretty good too, but the Scissor wing is a top bird too. Going on the C60, we got a little breeze. I'm aimed into the wind. This will be the last flight. This breeze is getting up there a little bit, a little more than I want. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna be going on a C63, the Scissor wing transport. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Look for that pop. There you go, the glider's off. Glider is circling. It's below the sun now. I'm giving a nice glide. Look at it hanging up there. I'm gonna have to find that booster. The glider is doing its thing. Nice flight. He's just hanging because of that breeze. Riding that breeze and touch down. I don't see the booster yet. That's the main part we got to find. I kicked out that pod. So I'm going to have to probably try to search and find that, but the glider did its thing, gave a nice flight. I don't know if you saw much of it because of the sun, but I was able to see it. So cool. Scissor wing transport. Did a good job, so let's continue. Let's go. All right, well, just came upon the booster, so we're all good there. Looked like it didn't really unfold that well. Well, at least he's here, found him. Now let's find the glider. The glider's out here too somewhere. Yeah, he kicked off way out here, so let's go on and locate him. All right, guys, after doing a little trekking, found the Scissor wing here parked under this tree right here. So that will end the day on this video. Ending on a good note. Found you tucked under here in between some stuff, so I missed him. I actually went past it, but on my way back I knew I would have to find him because I knew the general area. So that will end the day. We will be coming back with a debriefing Stay tuned for the debriefing. This is Model Rockets 321. Subscribe to this channel and support any way you can. Check the links below. And we are out of here until the next time. I'm signing off. Model Rockets 321. Like, share, and subscribe to the channels, and check out some more videos. And we are out. And here it is, the Astron Omega, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is gonna be my worst crash ever. Oh! Stage pointing straight down. That is serious. What could have went wrong? There's the board. Wow. Wow, total destruction. So I've been into the hobby, into model rocketry for many years now. I started when I was 9 years old, building and flying in New Jersey. Staging is one of the fascinating things in the hobby. I just like to know, like, in the history, how that come about. I never really heard a story on how that came about, just to figure out that you could stack, you know, 2 motors, and this bottom motor ignite that other one, and it'll pop these fins off and go higher. I guess it's all physics at the end of the day, but it's just a great thing to fly 2-stage rockets. But the Astron Omega has a deep story with me, and it's a good one. Here we go, 3, 2, 1 here. It is debriefing time. Today you saw 2 quick flights. Nothing too crazy, 2 quick fun rockets, a little different from the normal. I flew the Helio-Copter and I flew the Scissor wing transport. Helio-Copter is one of those classic rockets. Got the blades and the nose cone, pops out and they swing out like that and give a nice, super fast rotation. It almost blurs, is real nice. One of the coolest rockets. Don't get a lot of mention, but if you see one of these, I recommend picking it up. You can fly them, you know, in your normal field. Now I can't say, you know, today it wasn't too bad. It was a little breezy. You may be able to get away with one of these in a park on a B engine. A B engine will take care of you, because they kind of land close together. What's going on? They kind of land. They want to land fairly close together because they kind of follow the same path once the ejection happens. So. Yeah, it's a great flying rocket. I mean, you get these blades. I don't know what's going on now, but normally the blades go right in, no issue. Today it wants to give a problem. Yeah, shock cord is on the side. Everything's, there we go. There we go. So you get that guy down there like that. Helio-Copter, yep, send it up on a C63. Get that motor out of there. Yep, C63 right there. Throw that out. Shake this stuff out in case there's any. Oh, he's clean. Sometimes a lot of that char gets stuck in there. But yeah, just one of the great rockets. One of the great rockets of the time. Yeah. So super flyer, fun, super stable. I like that fin shape too. That fin shape is really nice. But yeah, just a cool sport model. After that, I flew the great Scissor wing transport. Gets no better. It gets no better. Can't say enough about this rocket right here. The body is that color. If you're new, if you check some of the archives, go back. I had a crash and I had to rebuild the whole bottom, this whole bottom section. It got destroyed. But this part, it flew off and the tail flew off. But everything you see that's brown, I had to redo. Because I think when I launched, I didn't have the pin all the way in, and it had this aileron pointing up and it curved. The rocket took off and took a curve. Curved over straight into the ground, still thrusting, busted everything apart, and it ruined the rocket, so I had to rebuild it. This one's so great, you have to rebuild it. C63. But today was a nice flight. Nice flight. I had to go over and kind of find it. I had to search for him because the little breeze was giving it a nice fly. It was giving it a nice glide. See, when you pull that out, that's what happens. That's the action. Once it kicks out this pod, it'll swing these blades into place. And this one's trimmed pretty good. I got that little piece of clay there. There's a piece of clay right there. It gave it a nice glide. It was a nice, look at this motor coming over here. Gave it a nice glide today. So the Scissor Wing Transport, just one of those all-time greats. When it comes to model rockets, it's in one of all time, like super rocket. Like it's one of the best, especially when it comes to like boost gliders and stuff. There are a lot of great boost gliders out there. There's some great ones. There's a lot of good ones. But yeah, the Scissor Wing, like design wise, like I hold this thing in high regard. Look how they did the tail, like they did tail, like with those fins, and just it was great. I believe this is Tim Van Milligan, the guy who owns Apogee Components. I believe he is a designer. He did this for Estes when he was there. So yeah, just great stuff. Great stuff. But anyway, guys, we're going to wrap this video up right here. Hope you enjoyed it. Check the videos that's coming out. Check the links below. Watch the Astron Omega on the Way to Disaster film. Check out my zine, which is right here. You can go on the website and order yourself a zine. Some of my drawings, my space drawings, and they have motivational quotes attached to every one. So be sure to check it out. All space stuff, astronauts, all kinds of stuff. Different ideas, exploring all kinds of stuff. So there you go. It's called Above the Surface. Go over and get your copy. It's ModelRockets321. See you on another video. And we out.